Welcome. In this video I will quickly explain how long the battery lasts on HP 255. So really the battery life depends highly on the generation of your laptop. In my case I'm using the 7th generation HP 255, and the battery in it lasts only for 3.5 to 5 hours of working without a cable. So yeah, and if we use some more intense tasks, then this value drops significantly, or almost to, well, basically discharging your device completely in an hour. But for example, generation 10 of HP 255, the battery can last for 10 hours of an office work, or so basically regular tasks like working with Excel, Word, or programming some light apps without graphical preview. Or of course it can also drop down significantly if you use some more intense tasks on it. So yeah, that's pretty much the answer to this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.